Okay, right, I'm going to do something here, which, because immediately I was getting some cloudiness behind those vocals, and I like those guitars. I like these. But really, what I would usually do is automate them to come down a bit over this area where the vocals are. But I'm going to try something else first, which may or may not work, but it would work in other circumstances. So it's just something worth considering if you're in a situation where there's a vocal and a guitar and they might be clouding each other a little bit. So I'm going to create a group here, which I'm going to call Fuzz. It makes the groups at the bottom, which is always annoying. I wish they made them in place, but there you go. There might be an option for that I don't know about. Let me know if you do. So I'm going to send these guitars here to Fuzz, and then I'm going to send Fuzz to All Music. And I'm going to use a simple compressor. I could use any compressor out there, but I just don't really, I'm not looking for something with character. I just want it to get turned down. So I'm going to probably use the RComp, and this is a stereo track, this group is a stereo group, not a stereo track. And I'm going to sidechain this here with the vocal. So I'm just going to select one of the vocals, not with all the effects and everything else. I'm just going to select, because the low and the high are basically always singing at the same time. So I'm just going to select the low vocal there and send that to the Fuzz sidechain. And I'm going to send it pre-fader, so if I turn this up and down, it's not going to make any difference to this. And then this fuzz guitar will be being triggered by the vocal. The compressor for the fuzz guitar, should I say, will be triggered by the vocal. Now, nothing will happen at the moment because there's no ratio. So you can see the vocals are there, coming through. So I'm going to bring the threshold down there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the attack time really quick on it, and the release time, I don't know, 30, 40 milliseconds, something like that. And basically, when he stops singing, as the vocal gets quieter, the guitar will come up and fill the space, and then it will be pushed down by the vocal automatically.
Couldn't taste that sweet, but you shout and you scream, grind your teeth and stamp your feet from deep within the cage that you made for yourself, that you've gotta be free.
So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to bring the release up a little bit so it's not as drastic. I'm going to keep playing with that ratio and the threshold till I'm happy with it, but it is kind of doing what I wanted it to do, which is good.
But you shout and you scream, grind your teeth and stamp your feet from deep within the cage that you made for yourself, that you've gotta be free.
That answer guitar at the moment is putting me off hearing what it's doing, so I'm just going to mute that for a second.
For yourself, that you've gotta be free. That you made for yourself, that you've gotta be free.
Yeah, I like that. That's following it a little bit and just being subtle. It's just taking it down and allowing the vocal through in the right places for me. I might tweak, I might pan them a touch more apart, I'm not sure. I'm definitely going to be doing some reverby stuff on guitars in a bit, but we'll get to that when we get to that.